Jet. Is AI coming for your job? This is the question on everyone's mind, and today we're going to tackle it head on. You've probably seen the headlines. Some say AI will take over millions of jobs, while others claim it will create millions of new ones. So, what's the real story? And more importantly, what can you do about it right now to not just survive, but thrive in this new era? Stick around, because we're breaking it all down. First, let's get one thing straight. Change is happening, and it's happening fast. Think about it. Just a few years ago, the idea of an AI creating stunning art from a simple text prompt or writing complex code seemed like science fiction. Now, it's a reality. We're seeing AI tools being integrated into almost every industry, from marketing and content creation to data analysis, customer service, and even law. The fear is that AI will replace jobs that involve repetitive tasks. And to be honest, that fear isn't entirely unfounded. Jobs centered around routine data entry, basic customer support, and certain types of manufacturing are definitely at risk. If a task follows a predictable pattern, an AI can probably learn to do it faster, cheaper, and more accurately than a human. It's the same pattern we saw with the Industrial Revolution and the Computer Revolution. Technology has always disrupted the job market. But here's the crucial part that many people miss. AI is not just a job destroyer. It's a job transformer and a job creator. It's a tool, a powerful one, but still a tool. It's like getting a superpowered assistant. This assistant can handle the boring, repetitive parts of your job, freeing you up to focus on what humans do best: creativity, critical thinking, strategy, and emotional intelligence. Let's look at some examples. In marketing, AI can analyze vast amounts of data to identify trends, but it takes a human to craft a compelling brand story that resonates emotionally with an audience. In software development, AI can write code snippets, but it needs a human developer to design the overall architecture, solve complex problems, and understand the user's needs. In healthcare, AI can help diagnose diseases from medical scans with incredible accuracy. But it can't replace the empathy and communication of a doctor explaining a diagnosis to a patient. The human touch is becoming more valuable than ever. So, the question isn't, will AI take my job? 3. The real question is, how can I use AI to do my job better? This is a massive mindset shift. Instead of seeing AI as a threat, we need to see it as a collaborator. This is the key to future-proofing your career. So, how do you adapt? What are the practical steps you can take today? I've broken it down into 3 main strategies: upskill, reskill, and master the human skills. Let's start with upskilling. This means getting better at what you already do by incorporating AI tools. If you're a graphic designer, start learning how to use AI image generators to quickly create concepts and mock-ups. If you're a writer, use AI writing assistants to help with research, brainstorming, and editing, allowing you to produce higher quality content faster. If you're a data analyst, learn how to use AI-powered platforms to process and visualize data more efficiently. The goal here is to become the person who knows how to leverage AI in your field, not the person who gets replaced by it. Think of yourself as an AI pilot, not a passenger. Be proactive. Seek out online courses, workshops, and tutorials. Most of this information is available for free or at a very low cost. Dedicate a few hours each week to learning these new tools. It's an investment that will pay off massively. Next up is reskilling. For some, the nature of their job might change so fundamentally that upskilling isn't enough. Reskilling means learning a new set of skills to move into a different role or even a different industry. This might sound intimidating, but it's also a huge opportunity. The rise of AI is creating entirely new job categories that didn't exist 5 years ago. Think about roles like prompt engineer, someone who specializes in crafting the perfect instructions for AI models, or AI ethics officer, ensuring that AI systems are used responsibly. There's also a growing demand for AI trainers and data labelers, people who help teach and refine AI models, BL. If you're considering a change, look at fields where the human element is central. Areas like project management, strategic consulting, therapy, coaching, and creative direction are poised for growth. These jobs require complex problem-solving, leadership, and a deep understanding of human behavior. things AI can't replicate. The key is to identify your interests and strengths and see how they align with the emerging needs of the job market. Don't be afraid to pivot. Spare. Your past experience is never wasted. It's a foundation you can build upon in a new direction. Finally, and this might be the most important strategy of all, master the human skills. I'm talking about soft skills, which are becoming the new power skills. These are the abilities that make us uniquely human. First on the list is critical thinking. In a world flooded with AI-generated information, the ability to analyze, question, and evaluate that information is paramount. 2. You need to be the one who can spot biases in an AI's output, or question if its conclusions make sense in the real world. Next is creativity. While AI can generate ideas, true innovation often comes from connecting disparate concepts in novel ways, a hallmark of human creativity. It's about asking what if, and imagining something entirely new, not just rearranging what already exists. Emotional intelligence is another big one. This includes empathy, communication, and collaboration. Can you understand a client's unspoken needs? Can you inspire and lead a team? Can you build relationships and trust? These are things that AI struggles with. A chatbot can answer a question, but it can't offer a shoulder to cry on or build genuine rapport. The more our world becomes automated, the more we will crave authentic human connection. And let's not forget adaptability and a love for learning. The pace of change is only going to accelerate. The most successful people in the coming decade will be those who are lifelong learners, constantly curious and comfortable with being uncomfortable. You have to embrace a growth mindset and see learning not as a chore you finished in school, but as a continuous, exciting part of life and work. So, let's put it all together. AI is a disruptive force, but it's not a doomsday scenario for the job market, too. It's a tool that is changing the rules of the game. Your job is not to fight it, but to learn how to play the new game. Start today. Identify one AI tool in your field and spend an hour learning how it works. Think about one human skill, like communication or critical thinking, and find a way to consciously practice it this week. Don't wait for your job to become obsolete. Take control of your career path now by upskilling, being open to reskilling, and doubling down on your uniquely human abilities. You won't just be safe from AI, you'll be empowered by it. You'll be the one in demand, the one leading the charge in this incredible new chapter of human innovation. The future is not something that happens to us, it's something we create. So let's get to work. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content on navigating the future of work. I want to hear from you. What's one step you are going to take this week to start adapting to AI? Let me know in the comments below. See you in the next one.